National Science Day. On 18th April, Albert Einstein died in Princeton. On hearing this news, gentlemen in India promptly sent for a barber to have his head shaved, a Hindu ritual performed by a man on his father's death. This great man was Dr. C.V. Raman. Such was his dedication towards his work that when in 1954 he was given the Bharat Ratna, Raman did not go to Delhi to receive the award. He wrote to President Rajendra Prasad on the 20th that he would not be present because I am firmly tied down here to enable one of my students to complete his doctorate thesis, which the regulations require him to submit to his university before the end of January. Thus, my duty as a teacher has to take precedence over personal affairs. Recognizing the significance of his discoveries in the field of physics, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC) proposed to celebrate 28th February as National Science Day. The Government of India approved the request, and therefore since 1986, the country has been celebrating this day as National Science Day. Every year since 1987, National Science Day is celebrated on February 28th. On this day in 1928, Sir C.V. Raman discovered the famous Raman effect about scattering of light. It is immensely surprising that Raman used equipment worth merely rupees 200 to 300 to make this discovery. The Raman effect is now examined with the help of equipment worth almost millions of rupees. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery in 1930, the first time for an Indian. Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was born on November 7, 1888, in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency, British India. Today the city is known as Tiruchirappalli and sits in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics, so that from the first he was immersed in an academic atmosphere. He entered Residency College Madras in 1902 and in 1904 passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics. In 1907 he gained his MA degree, obtaining the highest distinctions. Raman, who scattered the light. A voyage to Europe in the summer of 1921 gave me the first opportunity of observing the wonderful blue opalescence of the Mediterranean Sea. On a sea voyage to Europe in 1921, Raman curiously noticed the blue color of the glaciers and the Mediterranean. He was passionate to discover the reason for the blue color. Once Raman returned to India, he performed many experiments regarding the scattering of light from water and transparent blocks of ice. Per the results, he established the scientific explanation for the blue color of sea water and sky. Raman's Nobel Prize winning work was initially inspired by observations he made on a sea voyage. Coincidentally, it was on a sea voyage that another Indian Nobel Prize winner, Subramanian Chandrasekhar,